Hello, dear friends. I'm Mustafa Gouda. I'm associate professor at the National Research Center of Egypt and Zhejiang University of China in the field of nutritional biochemistry and biosystems advances. Also, I'm adjunct professor at the Mariam Apache American University of Nigeria. So happy to congratulate all of you are now graduated student in this very wonderful ceremony, convocational ceremony. So happy for all our students. I have very big cooperation with Nigerian friends. I think the students from our university are so lucky that as the Mariam Apache nowadays are well-known university around the world, even here in China are too many people know our university very well. Thank you very much and wish you all the best. See you.